Well, it's Christmas Day at last. I haven't been doing many videos recently because it's really sort of been that busy time of year when you're running around getting nowhere. The shops are going to be closed and stuff like this, so you've got to get things done. So like I said, I want to say a happy Christmas to everybody who's chipped in, everybody who's followed me for the last few years. It's great, I couldn't do without you. And thanks for all your cards and your letters. I've read them all and I've hung them up upstairs, so that was nice. Now, what am I going to be doing today? I don't know really. I've got some things I'd want to do. One of my sort of old hobbies when Mike was here was distilling. We used to like to make our own liqueurs and brandies and stuff like this. And I think this afternoon I might just have a go at some rum. I've had fermenting for, I don't know, 4 weeks now. And I don't know if you saw in a video I did for Patreon, but I made a still like this. I got what's called a reflux still a few years ago. It's all solid copper and it works extremely well. And I lent it out to my mate Mike, who used to work here, and he's had it for 10 years and never brought it back. I sent him a text, says, "Can I have my still back?" "Oh yeah," he said, "I'll drop it off." But he'd lost the bottom. So thanks to Vivo, who do a little kit like this, well, it's not so exactly little, you can make a nice still. So I've got 2 lids, one to go onto that one, and this is the still that like the cooler that they bring with the kit. It's good, it works, but not as good as that one. So I've been busy adapting things. And also somebody brought Deborah a bottle of wine for Christmas and it was vile. It was absolutely disgusting. So I think it was off. So off down to the charity shop and I bought this. And this is another thing I've been working on this week. It's a pressure cooker. And I made it into a small batch for distilling. So what we did was we poured the wine in here, heated it up, the vapours come out of here, and then they went into this tube. I made a connecting tube to go between the two. And I was doing it on top of my barbecue because for some strange reason this stainless steel pot will not work on an induction cooker. So it meant doing it outside. But now a friend of mine gave me a gas burner, like for butane, so I think that'll be good. So like 750 millilitres of wine in here, made, how do we say? Made a decent wine glass full of brandy. I think we got most of it out, anyway, most of the alcohol out of it, and it was a nice taste to it, and it was far better than what we had. So like I said, this is a pressure cooker. I adapted it, and it's a really funky design. I liked it because it's a nice clean pot, and a lot of the pressure cookers we have are aluminium, which is not really nice. So this is a nice pot, it's all sealed. I took out all the safety equipment, as you do, put a little thermometer in there so we can watch it gradually rising. So once it gets around about 80 Celsius, we'll get some vapours off, condensate them, and that's it, you're good to go. So I'll just put some rubber bungs in there where those pieces have been, that's not a problem. So I think today, what I'm going to do as well, I bought myself a plastic barrel at the hardware shop, and I noticed in the shop that apple juice was on special. 2 litres of apple juice. You got 2 for 1. You got 2 apple juices, so you got 4 litres of apple juice for $6. You would think we had a lot of apples here in Canada, wouldn't you? Anyway, so I'm going to try and make an apple brandy out of that. I think it should be nice. Not cider, it's easy to do, but I got 10 litres of apple juice and 2 pounds of, or is it 2 or 4 pounds of Demerara sugar. That adds a nice little sparkle to things, it makes it a little bit, fermentates a bit better. So that's what I'm going to do. So that might be ready for, New Year, I'm not sure. We'll see. But that's it, that's what I'm going to do. Now it's nice and quiet. I have some jobs lined up for New Year, January, but I'm just going to take a bit of a break. If anything interesting comes along, I'll let you know, but I really need to do some tidying up here. I can't find a bloody thing in here. It's been so busy, you know. Anyway, good news is I put some wood in with my forklift today. The steering is absolutely superb. It's back to normal, so I think we got all the ice out. But it's not all that cold today. It's about +3. It's really bizarre. I don't know. It's one Christmas day when I was here about 7 or 8 years ago when I got a container, one of the containers delivered. I was painting it on Christmas Day. A beautiful sunny day, so I got my paint pot out and painted it. Strange weather, isn't it? Anyway, I hope you all have a good day, and we'll catch you later. I will do some videos, but I don't really want to do videos about my dirty little hobby sort of thing. Alright, catch you later. Ta-ra.